Hello everyone. Today we are going to read a book called 10 Things I Can Do to Help with the Earth. And this book is all about how we can help the earth and protect the environment. There are many small things we can do every day there to help the world. Before you start reading, can you think of something you do to help the environment? Maybe recycling, saving water, or turning off the light. This book is written by Melania Walsh. So the book started, the first page said, I remember to switch off the light when I leave the room. Um, it's like this page is talking about turning off the lights. Why do you think we should turn off the lights when we leave the room? So the answer can be like because it saves electricity and help the environment. I try to turn off the tap when I brush my teeth. Every time you do this, it saves some water. I always, I always, I always put my litter in the bin. This page is like talk about recycling. Do you recycle at home or like school? What things you can recycle? This page is all about talk about this. Then I shall feed the birds in the winter. These pages talk about the environment. We can ask like why we feed birds in the winter, not in the summer. Then I use both sides of the paper. It's also about talk about recycling, the way we should recycle our paperworks. And I remind my mommy to turn off the TV when you walk off the wall. These pages talk about saving electricity, making toys from old boxes. I like to walk to school. It's like it's about talking about walking instead of going using cars. Like there's a question, why do you think walking is better for the environment? Then I can plant seeds and help them grow. I help all because to sort the recycling. There are some posters in this book how we can recycle paper, glasses, cans, compost, and this is the book. So, in the story, we learn that even small actions that can help the world, and we can do recycle, saving waters, turn off the lights, reuse materials, and walk instead of using cars. These small actions help protect the environment and make the world a better place. Um, Now, I have a question for you. What is the one thing you can do to help the world? Remember, we all can help the world with our small actions. Thank you very much for listening this story. Hello everyone. This is my second book for this assessment. This book names "We Are Water Protectors" by Carlo Lindstrom. Um, in this book is about why water is very important and why we must protect water. Water is also important for people, animals, and plants, environment. So let's just start it. Why we think water is important. Water is the first medicine, Nokomis told me. We came from water. We came from water, shed us inside of a mother's body. Sun rises us here on mother's earth, and scared, she said, we stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. Throw runs through my veins, run through my people brains. My people talk of a black snake that will save water, spoil the water, poison plants and animal wreckage. Um, these pages are talking about protecting water and why is this important. And this is talk about what happens if the oceans get dirty or polluted. Is there animal plants or grow live without water? When my people first spoke of the black snake, they foretold that it wouldn't come for many years. Now my black snake is here. Its venom burns the land, courses through water, making it unfit to drink. Take courageous. I must keep the black snake away from village water. I must rally my peoples together. Do we sometimes waste water when we are traveling, like going through one place to another place, camping? Sometimes people, we are the people who wasted these things. To stand for the water, to stand for the land, to stand for as one against the black snake. We stand with our songs and our drums. We are still here. We fight for those who cannot fight for themselves, the winged ones, the crawling ones, the four-legged, the two-legged, the plant trees, the river lakes. We are all related. Tears like waterfalls steam down, down on my face, down on my people's face. Water is has its own spirit, Nakamas told me. Water is alive. Water remember our ancestors who came before us, she said. We stand with our songs, we stand our drums, we are still here. We steadfast on the earth, spirit have not been broken. We are water protectors, we stand. The black snake is in one for fight. Water protector pledge. I'll do my best to honor Mother Earth and its living beings, including the water and land. I will always remember to treat the earth as I would like to be treated. I will treat the winged ones, the crawling ones, the four-legged, the two-legged, the plants, trees, rivers, lakes, the earth with kindness and respect. I pledge to make this world a better place by being a steward of the earth and a protector of the water. Some questions we can ask like why we should protect waters, rivers, lakes, or like oceans. So after After finishing this story, we can now see like water is very important for all living things. Peoples, animals, and plants all need water to be alive. We must protect water. We can protect water by turning the tap off when we are keep brushing our teeth. We can try to tap off. We are not gonna waste water in the rivers, in the oceans, so these oceans are gonna be clean. We all have a responsibility to care for the water. Now we are all water protectors and we can help protect our environment. And thank you very much for listening these two books.